Hi there. I'm working on a new character. It's top secret, and I can't show it to you just yet. But I am going to show you how that lovable bird brain, Woody Woodpecker, was created.
Okay, boss. Quit padding your part and tell him about little old lovable me.
Now look here, Woody. I don't know where you are, but if you can't keep a civil tongue in your bill, we'll just forget the whole thing.
Oh, Mr. Lance, please, sir, you wouldn't. After all, my public has a right to know more about me.
All right, Woody, all right. But where are you?
Right under your big, right under your nose, sir.
Well, he's not in here. Or here either. No. I wonder where he is.
I'm right here, boss. In the pencil on your drawing board.
All right, my fine feathered friend. Let's see what you look like. Let's see, put the eyes in here. And the top knot. Uh-huh. You were my pencil. You sure had me fooled for a while. Let's see now. A little line here. And a bulge here. And a broken tail. And, of course, a big mouth.
Hey, you made me look as if I swallowed a balloon. I'm not that fat. Sure, I want to be a big TV star, but not that big.
In that case, let's see what we can do for you, Woody. I'll have you reduced in no time.
Oh, great. This is just great. Now I ain't got no body.
Oh, don't be so impatient. I'll have you back in shape in a jiffy. There. How do you like that?
Muscle Beach, here I come. Now you got me looking more like a toothpick than a woodpecker.
Well, you're sure hard to please. Well, let's try it again. I'll bet you wouldn't be satisfied if I made you look like Superman. Just what do you think you should look like?
Let me have that pencil and I'll show you.
Okay, wise guy. Here. How about your tail feathers? Wow, what a ham. But that's Woody, and that's how he was created. He gets under your skin at times, but he wouldn't be Woody if he didn't. That's all for now. I'll see you later in the show.